Greetings everyone, this is Avishka Thadani and welcome to the Daily Affairs. Right here, you will be getting all the front page updates of the day quite informatively. So before we begin, I have a news related fact for all of you. Almost half of the adults of the United States say that the local news which they get in their newspaper does not cover their own area. Instead, any nearby area of their city, which approximately covers 60% of their newspaper. Now, without any further ado, let's get started with our first news of the day. 26 opposition parties joined forces, says it's Modi versus India. The 26-member opposition bloc, which gathered in Bengaluru to form an anti-Modi bloc, named itself as India, standing for Indian National Developmental Inclusive Alliance, to set stage for next year's Lok Sabha battle. NDA, can you challenge India? Says Trinamool Congress's chief Mamata Banerjee at a presser after wrapping up the two-day conference in Bengaluru. The Bengaluru conclave also decided to set up an 11-member coalition coordination committee to take call on potentially thorny issues such as alliance leadership, its PM candidate, and the nomination of a convener. Sources say that the names of Sonia, Mamata, and Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin were discussed. People have made up their mind to give NDA another term, says Modi. Prime Minister Modi on Tuesday responded to the efforts of opposition parties to forge an anti-BJP front by asserting that people have decided to give BJP-led NDA front a third year at the centre. And this alliance's poll would cross more than 50% votes in the next Lok Sabha elections. People have already made up their mind. Modi said while addressing a meeting of 38 parties which marked the 25th anniversary of NDA. N meant New India, D meant developed nation, A refers to aspiration of people and religion. He made the same assertion echo of the 2019, which is Aayega to Modi hi plank. In the morning, while virtually inaugurating the new building of the airport at Port Blair and named it Veer Savarkar. Coming on the day when 26 parties launched the India Alliance, the claim also appeared to drive home the perception about BJP being people's favorite in the next elections. The two speeches saw Modi attacking a blistering launch on the constituents of the oppositions combined. Rajasthan Assembly passes bill to check organized crime. Fourth state to do so. The Rajasthan Organized Crime Control Bill 2023 was passed into the Rajasthan Assembly through a voice vote. With this, Rajasthan became the fourth state in the country to enact a law to control organized crime and stop fledgling criminal gangs from morphing into syndicates. The bill grants investigation agencies a wide list of powers to tackle organized crimes more effectively. It provides for death penalty or life imprisonment and a fine of rupees 1 lakh in case of death caused by criminal gang, confiscation of property of criminals, jail term ranging from 5 years to life for criminal conspiracy, and sheltering gang members and establishment of special courts for speedy trial. That's it with all the front page updates. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.